Caramelized frozen cauliflower with Indian spices. Serves 4 and ready in about 30 minutes. Now the ingredients. 1 pound of frozen cauliflower florets. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. 1 medium onion, thinly sliced. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, minced. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. 2 tablespoons of water. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Place 1 pound of frozen cauliflower florets in a colander and run cold water over them for 2 minutes, then pat them dry with paper towels. Heat a large heavy skillet over medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Let the sugar melt and begin to caramelize for about 1 minute. Add the thawed cauliflower to the pan in a single layer. Let it sear undisturbed for 4 minutes until the undersides are golden and caramelized. Toss the cauliflower and let it caramelize on the other sides for an additional 3 minutes until evenly golden. Push the cauliflower to one side of the skillet. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 medium sliced onion to the empty space and sauté until the onions are golden and caramelized, about 6 minutes. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic and 1 inch of minced fresh ginger to the skillet. Cook for about 45 seconds until fragrant. Sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of salt into the skillet. Stir well so the spices coat the cauliflower and onions. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and 2 tablespoons of water to the skillet to deglaze. Stir and cook for about 2 minutes until the sauce becomes glossy and coats the cauliflower. Squeeze 1 tablespoon of lemon juice over the cauliflower and add 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro. Toss gently to combine. Taste a small piece and adjust with up to 1/4 teaspoon more salt if needed. Spoon the caramelized cauliflower onto a serving plate and arrange evenly. Serve warm and enjoy. This completes the recipe. If you enjoyed this caramelized frozen cauliflower recipe, like this video, subscribe for more recipes, and hit the bell to get notifications.